Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel. Okay, so you're watching Linda Space Media, and first off, you got to subscribe. Okay, you need to subscribe. So press the subscribe button right now, and you won't ever regret subscribing to my channel. So today on the DIY, do it yourself, I'm gonna be talking basically on how you can cure a simple cold. I don't know if there is anything like a simple cold, but cold is cold. So it's that time of the season when the whole environment gets dusty. Yes, especially if you're in sub-Saharan Africa, whole environment gets dusty, and you tend to have a flu, okay, and you tend to have this cough and nasal congestion and everything. So instead of just rushing to see your physician, okay, there's some simple first aid you need to take. You can do it yourself, and believe me, I have tried these things, I've tried these procedures over times, and I can tell you it works so perfectly. So what you need to get is so simple, something you can find in your environment. It's one of it is this. This is actually lemon. Okay, so if you are in Nigeria, if you're walking on the road, or if you go to the market to buy lemon, this is the kind of lemon you can actually get. Okay, that's why I say it's do it yourself, so simple. You don't need to probably go to a big mart. I don't want to call any brand, but you don't need to go to a big supermarket to get it. It's so simple, and you can actually find this species almost everywhere. So this is one thing you need to get to cure that flu and cold this Harmattan period. So after you have your lemon, you need to have your honey, and for me, I use Forever Bee honey. Okay, you can use any honey that's available or at your disposal, but for me, I use this. Okay, just use any honey. Make sure it's refined, make sure it's good, make sure it's not adulterated, make sure it's good for consumption. So you get your honey, then you get your hot water. So this is my kettle of water. So you have your hot water, then okay, you can now have this rub, because this does magic for me anytime, and it's just for 50 naira. So it's quite simple, so affordable. Okay, so with this, what you do is simply get a cup, a clean cup. Okay, now you understand why I'm in the kitchen setting. So you get a cup, then make sure you have your lemon washed. It is very important to wash your lemon, because this lemon has this rough back. So there's every probability that when you're cutting it, you can just stick that from the outer layer inside. So as for me, to make sure that no dirt gets into my lemon water, I just had to peel off the whole back this way. So it's actually simple. So you start this way. This after you've washed it, you get a knife, and then you cut it this way. It's actually so simple. So you keep peeling it. Peel it all the way round, like you peel orange. Okay, I'm almost done. Okay, I'm done. Okay, so this is it. This is my lemon right now. You see? Okay, so I'll just have to rinse the knife once again, then rinse the cup, then so my cup and my spoon is ready. I'll just cut through. I first of all have to squeeze it a little bit to make it softer, so the juice can just come out once I cut it open. So this way I cut it into 2 equal halves. This way I just press the whole thing into the cup. I don't have to. I don't usually measure mine. I just press the whole thing this way into the cup. That's 1/2. Then I pick up the other half, then go this way. So this is it. The right now is here, if you can see. So now it's time to put my honey, my forever honey bee, inside the cup. So for my honey, I'm not gonna put everything. No. See, I already have a cup, so for my honey, I don't need to put everything. I just measure it. Okay, just gonna put 1 teaspoon into my cup. Okay, so you mix these two together, then you add just half of the cup. This is the hot water. So it's half of the cup right now. The cup is halfway full. So with this, you can add ginger if you want to, but I don't add ginger. You can add ginger to spice it up. It can actually help you with your cough, you know. So what you need to do right now is just to mix it together and I need to take the seeds away. I don't swallow it. So I take the seeds away. So with these, believe me, you aren't gonna get cough this, you know, dry season. Then for the rub, you know, all you need to do is just open it and take a little from it and, you know, put it inside your nose. But I don't usually do it when I'm wearing makeup, because when I'm wearing makeup and I do this, it's kind of, you know, the flu comes out and I don't feel good wiping it and everything. So I usually do this at night when I'm sleeping, so it just stays there and I sleep. So believe me, when you follow these simple steps, you can actually save your money or your journey to your physician. You get this, you know, relief for the moment, or it can actually last you and you don't need to go visit your physician anymore. As for me, when I do this, I don't visit my physician any longer. It just takes care of everything. I am not joking here. I am so serious. So you can try it today. A lemon, honey, hot water, and you'll be free from all sort of cough and flu this dry season and any other season at all. So thank you for watching my channel. I hope to bring you more DIYs in subsequent episodes. Make sure you subscribe and click on the bell icon so you get notified as soon as I drop new videos. And please drop in your comments in the comment section below if you've tried this and if it worked for you. And if you have any questions, you can actually ask me, okay?